Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will unbox something unusual, a LEGO Technics 4224 LEGO set. So this is the Porsche 911 GT3 Rexy AO Racing, 1313 pieces over here. So let's check out the box. Over here you can see a one-to-one real size comparison of the wheel of this car. On the sides, nothing unusual over here. This is the lower half of the box, and on the back we can see some features. So we got a functioning steering wheel, and we have the hydraulic on the pneumatic jacks over here, which lift the car. I believe there is, or I know there is, a working engine. So it basically shows how the Boxster engine for this car is working. We can see some specs over here. So the real car has 565 horsepower. So let's start unboxing over here as it's shown on this box. Let's try to open it this way. And now I believe I have to rip this open like so. And we can right away see some parts. Let's take them out. Box number 6. So this is interesting because I saw on other people's video that the boxes were white, but as you can see on this box, or in my case, you can see the parts and the boxes are see-through. So that's the box number 9. We have some wheel arches over here. Box number 2, lots of smaller parts. Box number 1, so this is the box you will start with. Suspension. Box number 3. And we got the wheels. So these are pretty standard wheels. I've been into Legos since, like, I would say more than 20 years, and this wheel size is exact same pattern of the wheel I know since I was, like, I don't know, 6 years old probably. Okay, what else do we got here? Box number 4, some bigger parts. Box number 7, another wheel or tire. And we got the stickers over here, guys. So this is how the stickers look like. You can see some marks from the tires being loose with the stickers. They should probably put another sort of protection foil on it. Box with no number, the wheels, the bigger parts, the back bumper over here, and this is something new. I guess this part is only for this car, this sticker, or it's already painted. It looks like it's painted. Box number 8. What else is in there? Box number 5. Wheel arches again. Another tire. And I think that's it. But we got the instructions still in there. And another part of stickers, so the box is empty, as I said. Another layer of stickers and instructions, which is very nice that it's made in one small book over here. How many pages do we have? 285 pages. yeah, I will get it started as soon as I upload this video. So if you've been interested how this unboxing looks like, let me bring all the pieces to one frame. Looks like lots of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Hope I see you on the next video. If you have any questions about this build, let me know in the comments. Bye bye.